Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into your official AOL mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your login credentials. After logging into your account using your credentials, you will be taken into your homepage for your email account. Now, if you wish to block any user from your account, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on More Settings from the Settings menu. Now, from the Settings page, click on Security and Privacy at the left side and you will find the Blocked Address section. Click on the Add button and now you will be able to add any email address that you wish to block onto your account. Go ahead and type in the email address that you wish to block and click on the Save button, and now this email address will immediately be added onto your blocked list. You can add any number of emails into your block list by clicking on the Add button and typing in the address and then clicking on the Save button. If you wish to unblock these emails in the future, you can come back to the Security and Privacy menu and click on the Delete button alongside the email address that you wish to unblock. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block any email address on your AOL mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.